Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be trying the viral coffee trend that has been going around on TikTok. I don't have the TikTok app, but I heard that's where it started from, and then I've just been seeing it everywhere, but it is the Dalgona coffee trend. My sister Brooklyn made fun of me because apparently that's not how you pronounce it. It's a Korean word and I don't know how to say it correctly, so I apologize, but that is what we are going to attempt today. So let's go ahead and just jump right on into this video. P.S. Shout out to Ashley all the way in the Philippines, Little Flower family member who requested to see this video. This one is for you. So the first thing you're gonna need is instant coffee. Here we go. Next, you're gonna need sugar. There we go, we got our sugar. You're gonna need some hot water, so I am gonna use my electric kettle to heat up some water. You'll need some milk, and I'm using Almond Breeze unsweetened original almond milk. Cute little mason jar to put your drink in, of course, and bonus points if it's clear because then you can see like the cool effect of this coffee. You'll also need a hand mixer, and this is from Black & Decker. And lastly, you'll need a measuring spoon, and this is a 1 tablespoon measurement. So we are gonna first start by warming up some water here. And you really don't need that much. So we'll just do a little bit like that. Turn this baby on, and then we can go ahead and get our bowl started with the other ingredients. So in a bowl, you want to do equal parts of the sugar and the instant coffee. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons because I'm making this for myself and Johnny. So we got 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee, and we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. There we go. And now when we have our hot water ready, you wanna carefully add 2 tablespoons of the hot water. There's 1. And there's 2. Now for this next part, you wanna take your hand mixer, and I'm gonna do the whisk attachment here. Just put a single one on. And this is gonna be a little time consuming, but you want to whisk this for a full solid 2 minutes. So I have a timer on my camera, so let's just go ahead and get this baby started. There we go, look at that. Look at those stiff peaks. Whoa, and that was, I blended that for probably 3 minutes, to be honest. And it also splashed a little bit on my shirt. It looks like peanut butter. Do you see like the little splash marks of the coffee everywhere, even like on my wall? Okay, so now what we want to do is take our mason jar. You can add some ice if you want it to be a nice icy coffee, which I do want. So throw in some ice, and I'm going to add some of the milk, and we'll fill up our glass like 3/4 of the way. And now with a spatula, I am going to go ahead and take our fluffy little peanut butter mixture here. And we're gonna, I don't know how to put this in without making a mess. Okay, it's gonna be messy. I don't think I can avoid that. I don't know how to make it look any prettier than that. There, how does that look? Is that kind of cute? Okay, let me put that to the side right now. Let me go ahead and work on Johnny's. Yeah, I don't know how to make this top part look cute like everybody else's. What do you guys think? Amor, then. So I got my Johnny here. Here's a straw for you. Here is yours. Doesn't it look like peanut butter? Mm-hmm. that was as cute as I could make it. So people always mix it. So
they mix it?
Yeah.
Whoa, this is crazy.
Okay, this is like hard to mix.
I know it is.
Ooh, I love how thick and creamy it is though. Okay, I think we're ready, babies. Ready? Cheers! Okay.
You gotta mix some more. There's no flavor. Alright. Take 2. Cheers.
Maybe I added too much milk?
Maybe you did.
Yeah. It's okay. I don't really like it.
It needs creamer.
I know, but that's what the milk was. After adding a little bit more sugar to this, I think it tastes a lot better. And I think overall, this is a nice creamy iced coffee. Like, I really like the consistency of this. If I want iced coffee, this is definitely the way to go. I really liked it, but I think for future reference, if I make this again, you have to keep in mind I'm not a huge coffee drinker, so when I do drink coffee, it's usually like very milky, very sweet, sugary type of coffee, as far away from black coffee as possible. But I know the recipe typically calls for equal parts instant coffee and sugar, but I think if I do this again, I would do a little bit more sugar, and then for the milk, I would do half milk and half of like a coffee creamer. I think that would taste amazing. So let me know in the comments, have you guys tried this coffee method out yet? And if so, what did you think of it? What was your experience like? And do you think this is worth it to go through all of this trouble and mixing for like 3 minutes straight? Is it worth it for a cup of coffee? A cup of iced coffee? Is it worth it? Let me know in the comments, and if you have any other recipes or trends or challenges you guys would like me to try and you'd like to see in a video, let me know that as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.